What if the loudest force controlling your life is the one you never hear? Marcus Aurelius warned that the soul becomes dyed by the color of its thoughts, but in our age, our thoughts are dyed by notifications, pings, and invisible demands. So ask yourself, are you choosing your mind's colors, or has the noise already chosen them for you? Silence reveals what noise hides. The Stoics believed that truth emerges only when the mind is unclouded. Today, digital noise becomes a fog so subtle we forget we're even walking through it. Seneca wrote, "To be everywhere is to be nowhere. In constant online presence, I vanish from myself. Digital silence isn't withdrawal, it's coming home to the self I've abandoned." Attention is the modern virtue. In ancient times, virtue lived in action. Now it lives in attention. Every swipe I make fractures my inner unity. Every scroll scatters a piece of my sovereignty. Epictetus reminded us, you become what you give your attention to. When I practice digital silence, I reclaim the throne of my inner kingdom and rediscover the forgotten sensation of being fully present. Stillness is strength, not escape. The world tries to teach me that urgency equals importance. The Stoics teach the opposite. When I step back, I see more. When I quiet the feed, I hear my own reasoning again. Digital silence becomes a discipline, a quiet force that rebuilds clarity, restores direction, and arms me with the strength to act from intention, not impulse. Imagine a gig worker, juggling tasks, messages, and shifting priorities. One day, they carve out 30 minutes of digital silence before starting. No apps, no alerts, just breath and presence. Strangely, their workload feels lighter. Decisions sharpen, stress fades, productivity rises, not because they worked more, but because they finally heard the calm voice beneath the chaos. Tonight, I invite you to choose one moment, just 5 quiet minutes, to power down every screen and listen inward. Ask yourself, what have I been too distracted to feel? Let this small silence become a doorway, a return to the steady core that has always been yours. If this stirred something within you, subscribe, share your reflection in the comments, and activate notifications for more quiet wisdom on the path to inner stillness.